Welcome to Meows and Miles, our travel tales. We're headed off to Cape Town for the SA Indie Cat show with two very special passengers, Starshine and Bear. First things first, packing. We filled our grooming bag with all the essentials: combs, brushes, shampoos, sprays, everything our show cats could possibly need. Of course, one curious kitty had to check the bag, making sure we didn't forget anything. Then came the suitcases, but honestly, the cats needed more stuff than we did. Their show blankets, toys, treats, litter, you name it, it went in. Finally, it was spa time. Bath, blow dry, and a good fluff up, ready for the spotlight. With everything packed, we hit the road to the airport. After check-in, we treated ourselves to some downtime at the Slow Lounge, while the cats happily chilled and we relaxed. We flew with Chem Air Airlines, where the cats got the VIP treatment, seated right next to us in the cabin. No cargo, no stress, just calm purrs at a cruising altitude. We landed then safely in Cape Town and disembarked. Then came the big day, the SA Indie Cat show. A hall full of whiskers, fluff, and lots of sparkle. Our stars were ready to shine, and they did. Starshine placed third in the adult female section, and Bear proudly came 10th in the adult male section. And that's a wrap on this chapter of Meows and Miles. Thanks for traveling along with us. Until the next adventure.